So it's very easy. So for number 1, okay, so f of x equals 2x plus 6. So find the value of, for letter A, functions of 3. So you will just substitute 3 to x. Okay, 2 times 3 plus 6. So functions of 3, we have 6 plus 6. Okay, functions of 3 is equal to 12. Okay, screenshot. Next, letter B. Okay, f of 10. So we have 2 times 10 plus 6. So we have 20 plus 6. Okay, f of 10 is equal to 26. Okay. Next, let us see. Okay, f of 1/2 is equal to 2 times 1/2, or you can use 0.5 if you want. Okay, if you can use 0.5. Anyway, you can use calculator if you want. Then I will do cancellation 2 and 2. So we have 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So it's so easy. It's just like you are checking your answers. But of course, at first it's easy. Maybe on Thursday, a little bit difficult. Next, letter D. For letter D, f of -4. Okay, so we have 2 times -4 plus 6. We have -8 plus 6. So we have -2. Okay, screenshot. Next, letter E. F of 1.5. Oh, sorry, -1.5. Okay, 2 times -1, 1.5 plus 6. So -3, right? Plus 6. So we have -3 plus 6 is how many? Okay. 3. Okay. How many are we now? 22. Okay. Okay, next, number 2. Okay, g of x is equal to x power of 2 plus 1 all over 2. Find the value of g of 0. Hey, Isari, are you there?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. So can you help me answering this?
0 to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2.
Uh-huh. And then
0 plus 1, 1 over 2.
okay, 1 over 2. Thank you. Next. Arada, are you there? 1, 2.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, because if you don't answer, I will kick you out. Next. Okay, so how to answer this?
Three
3 power of
2
uh-huh.
plus 1
Okay, over 2.
over 2.
Then Don't mute your microphone. If you mute your microphone, I will kick you out. 1.
Yes, Mr.
Don't mute. Okay, I'm talking to you.
Oh,
Don't.
yes, Mr.
So what's next?
G.
What is 3 power of 2?
6, Mr. 9.
9. Okay, plus 1. Next. What's next?
10
10
over 2.
or
5.
5. Okay, thank you. Next, let us see. G of 10. Yanacha. Are you there?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Please tell me what to do.
10
Don't
ยก
mute.
กำลัง
กำลังสอง
อีกกำลัง
power of.
power of 2
Okay.
and then part 1
Okay.
over 2
What's next? What is 10 power of 2?
100
100. Okay, plus 1.
101
Over 2. Or decimal point. How many?
15.5
50.5. Okay. Next. Letter D. G of negative 2. Pinyapat, are you there? 1. 2.
yes
Okay.
Mr. negative 2
Okay, negative 2
of
power 2.
2 plus 1 over 2
Okay.
4 plus 1
4 plus 1.
power of 2 5 over 2
Okay, or
2.5
2.5. Thank you. Next, letter E. Okay, G of negative 1 half. Panaray. 1.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, I thought you were sleeping. G of negative 1 half. Okay, so we have negative 1 half, power of 2. What is negative 1 half times negative 1 half?
Two.
Uh-huh.
No, Mr. 1/2.
1 half. Oh, you can use your calculator. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. How many?
1/4.
1/4. Okay. Okay, plus 1. What are we going to do? Can you convert this into decimal number so that it will be easier? What is 1 over 4 in decimal? Do not mute na.
2.
What is 1 over 4 in decimal?
0.
Point what? 0 point what?
25.
Okay. Plus 1 all over 2. So we have 1.25 over 2 or how many?
Mr.
What is the answer?
0.2625.
625. Thank you. Next. Sorry. We are now on number 3. Okay. Number 3 is, okay, if you see this kind of question, this pattern, it's the same na. The same thing with the same step, okay. You can see above, sometimes instead of f of x, you may see f, then colon, okay, then x, then it has an arrow. So it says that these two forms mean exactly the same thing. Okay, you can read above exercise 21a. Okay, so f of 2. So don't be confused, you will do the same. Nacha M.
Yes, Mr.
Ah,
2 to the power of 3 minus 2x plus 1.
no. 2 times 2
2 times 2
plus
plus
1. Okay. What is 2 power of 3?
8.
8. Then
8 minus 4.
plus 1. So what's the answer?
5.
5. Okay. Thank you. Next, that will be f of negative 2. Not Nicha.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. So negative. Okay. Tell me.
Negative 2 power of 3
Then minus 2 times what?
times negative 2
Okay, plus 1.
plus 1.
So based on your calculator, please put parentheses, ha? Okay. What's the answer?
Negative 8
Okay, negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 2
4
plus
plus
4.
4 plus 1.
What's the answer?
Negative
Negative
3.
3. Thank you. Next, f of 100. Supawadi.
Yes, Mr.
Ah. What's the
100 to the power of 3.
minus 2 times 100 plus 1? What is 100 power of 3?
1 million.
1 million minus
200.
200, then plus 1. So what is the answer?
$999,801.
Thank you. Next, letter D. Bunyapon, are you there? 1.
Yes,
Okay, I thought you will be kicked out. 0 power of 3 minus 2 times 0 plus 1. What's the answer? Easy. Even if you don't use calculator, what is the answer? Bunyapon, you are muting your...
0 minus 0.
What is the answer? The final answer.
0 minus 0.
The final answer. What is
1.
1? Okay. Next. Okay, f of 1/2. Or maybe let's try to write it 0.5. Okay, it's fine. Okay, minus 2 times 0.5. Okay, plus 1. Yatika.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Um, 0.125.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Okay. Number 4. Okay, g of x and then 2 power of x. Okay. Okay, g of 2. So we have 2, okay, power of 2. Pirada. Are you there?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. What is the answer? 2
4.
power of 2. 4. Thank you. Next, Patarapak. One.
yes, Mr.
Okay. So 2 power of 5. How many? Don't mute. What is 2 power of 5?
25.
Huh? 25? No.
No. So, 32.
32. Okay. Next. Sumita. G of 0.
Yes, Mr.
What is 2 power of 0? Go
2.
back. Huh?
0.
No. Go back to our first term. 2 power of 0 is what?
1.
1. Next, letter D. G of negative 1. Chacharin. What is 2 power of negative 1?
1/2 or 0.5.
Wow. Nice. Okay. Next, letter E. G power of negative 3. Sorry, 2 power of negative 3. Nacha G.
Yes, Mr.
What is the answer?
2 to the power of 8.
2 to the power of 8. No. Just like this one, it becomes fraction.
2 to the power of 3, sorry, Mr.
No. 1 over
1/2
power of
3
3 or
or 2
1.
to
1. It's okay. 1.
1
What's the next
to
one?
the
Over
8.
over 8. Okay. Next.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, number 5. H of x is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1. Letter A, so h of 2. Piraya. Sorry, Ganjapon.
2 plus 1
2 plus 1 over
2 minus 1
equals
3 over 1.
3 over 1 or
3.
3. Thank you. Next, Piraya.
Yes, Mr.
H of 3. Just follow the pattern.
3 plus 1
3 plus 1 over
3 minus 1.
Oh, sorry.
4 over 2
Or
2.
2. Okay. C. H of negative 1. Warapicha.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Warapicha. What is the... How to answer this?
1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1.
We have negative 1.
Negative 1 plus 1.
Why the others are leaving the meeting? Okay. Plus 1. And then?
And negative 1 minus 1.
Okay. Negative 1 minus 1. So, what is the answer?
Yes, Mr.
Negative 1 plus 1. Use your calculator. Negative 1 plus 1.
Yes. 0.
Okay, 0 over negative 2 or 0. Okay. No more, right? I called you already, all of you. Am I correct? Because it changed. The arrangement has changed because some of you left the meeting. Did I call you all? Or did I forget someone?
Me, Mr.
Okay, Chanikan, you are not yet, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because it changed the arrangement because of the Nacha left the meeting. What's the next one? Okay. H of 1.5. Okay, I will make it 1.5 to make it easier. So how to answer this?
1.5 plus 1
Okay. Then
over
I will write 1.5.
over 1.5 minus 1.
What's the answer?
5.
Huh?
2, 5,
2.5
5
over...
over 0.5.
So how many is this?
5.
5. Okay. So next one. Okay, I will answer number 6. I will explain number 6. Please listen. This is different. Number 6. Okay, so from numbers 1 to 5, we have to find the value of f of 3, f of 10, or g of 10, f of 100. But for the number 6, the answer is given already. So you have to find out what is the value of the variable. Okay? So for example, I will write it in a different way. 2x plus 5. So letter A question, the f of A is equal to 20. Now you have to find what is the value of this letter A. Okay? So again, from numbers 1 to 5, we answered, for example, f of 3. Okay? It has a number already inside. Can you follow? It has a number already inside. But this one, it is not a number. It is a variable. So you have to find what is the value of this. Okay? So it's just like this is the answer, right? So the solution for this, okay, solution. So we have 2x plus 5 equals 20. Okay, this one. So to find the value of x, so we have 20 minus 5. So we have 2x is equal to 15 over 2. So x is equal to 7.5. So it means that the value of a here, okay, so a is equal to 7.5. Or you can change, to avoid confusing, you can change this to letter A. Anyway, variable is only a representation. Okay, you can change it if you want to avoid confusion. Okay, so A is equal to 7.5. If you want to check, so 2 times 7.5 is 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, I still have 10 minutes. Letter B, f of b is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2b plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2b is equal to negative 5 over 2. So b is equal to negative 2.5. Okay, and you have calculator there if you want to check. Okay, screenshot. Okay, last one. Then we will continue on. I will not give exercises on Thursday. Okay, I will teach. I will continue teaching. Next, let us see. F of c is equal to negative 5. Okay, so we have 2c plus 5 equals negative 5. So 2c is equal to negative 5 minus 5. Okay, I transpose it now. So 2c is equal to negative 10. So c is equal to negative 5. Screenshot.